Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the Random Robot Does Something Random. Today I'm repairing some seat cushions for a boat. So you're going to need some tools, some pliers, maybe some needle nose pliers, a couple flat bladed screwdrivers, and a staple gun. So the first task is to remove all the staples. Once all the staples are removed, we're going to remove the actual old material covering it. And we're going to use this material as a template to cut out our new material. As you can see, this one's in pretty crummy shape. It's got holes in it and very discolored. So your local fabric store might have some marine vinyl, it's called. It's slightly different than regular vinyl, but if you're going to do one of these projects, make sure you spring for the marine. It's not that much more expensive. So I'm just going to take my Sharpie here and make a general outline around the old piece of material. Making sure to make it larger than I need. Simply cut out our marks with a pair of scissors. Place the seat cushion face down and try to square it up with the material. Now the first thing is to fix one side, and then you're going to pull the material on the other side, stretching it as you go. So we're going to make a cross pattern here. And for the corners, we're just going to fold it over and pull it as hard as we can and put a staple in it. I recommend using stainless steel staples. Sometimes they're a little harder to find, but they're well worthwhile. And once that's done, we're just going to continue around, adding more staples to the perimeter. And completing the corners as we come to them. After you're done all this, you're going to cut off the excess material, and that cushion will be done. Doing the corners is the hardest part. Again, trying to get one fold in and trying to remove all the creases and stretching the material as you go. This angled portion required a fold on two sides of it because it's actually two corners. Again, I'm an amateur at this, and I suspect there's many people out there that could do a much better job than myself. And And there we have one finished seat cushion. I still have to trim off the excess material on the back. And we're going to continue the same process with the other pieces. So with simple tools and no sewing machine, you can improve the look of your boat quite significantly. The most lengthy part of this process was removing all the staples, hundreds and hundreds of them. And removing more staples. So here's the before and after of the seat cushions. And you can see here how you could spruce up your boat with very little cost and minimal effort. Again, thanks again for watching The Random Robot. Please like and subscribe.